So this is another Trade Junkies Investment Group exclusive. This is just going to show you how you invest, some capital to start your own at-home business, to start your own, startup business. And it's going to be called How to White Label Products. All right. So white labeling, right? What is white labeling? How to white label products is the key, right? All right. What is white labeling? White labeling is defined as a product or a service by one company, right? A product or service by one company, which is the producer, that other companies, the marketers, rebrand and make it appear as if they made it. So you cannot just go out and buy products and resell it under your brand, right? This is gonna stop you from could result in lawsuits or legal issues because not all companies will let you white label their products. So a prime example of what white labeling is, right? So this is the key steps on how to start white labeling. So find a product, find a product that solves a problem, right? So whether it be acne, whether it be pain, certain products like that, could be a top seller because it's a high supply or high demand for it, right? So you want to find a company that white labels. So you have to find a company that actually will let you white label their product, meaning they will let you buy their product at a wholesale price and resell it, under retail price with your brand on it, right? So with your company on it, the company that you created, right? All right, so contact that company directly. And after this video, after this presentation, I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually start your own white labeling company in this proper steps, right? So once they approve that they do white labeling, then you're gonna, create a brand. So creating your brand entails, the name of your brand or name of what you want to name that product, the packaging, the design of the packaging, and to do profitable portions, right? Because you're gonna buy this wholesale, you're gonna buy this in bulk, right? Bulk order, and then you're gonna break it down in smaller packages to resell it. So setting up marketing strategies. So after you've done all the branding, after you've done all the naming, all the packaging, and you package it up in portionable sizes, right? You're going to set up a marketing strategy. So that marketing strategy could be anything. You could launch a billboard advertisement. You could, do have somebody actually market this word of mouth. Word of mouth is the best form of marketing, and then you can do referral programs where if somebody sells your product, you'll give them a commission. These are proper marketing strategies that people use. So this is how you're going to start your first white labeling business. These are step-by-step processes. All right, so how are you going to break down your ROI for this white labeling business? All right, so prime example, say you buy $1,000 bulk order of hair growth oil, right? And you want to repackage it and you want to name it, Miracle Grow beard oil, right? Miracle Grow beard oil is your new brand that you just created, right? And from that bulk order, you pay $1,000 for that bulk order. After you actually, put it into profitable sizes, whether it be 1 ounce, whether it be 2 ounce, whether it be 3 ounces of your beard oil, you get 800 products was created from this one purchase, right? So we get a $1,000 worth of bulk order. You break it down into smaller portions. You eventually yield 800 products out of this $1,000, and then you decide to sell your products at $50 a piece. So if you sell your products at $50 a piece, and you have 800 products, you're going to do 800 products times $50. And that doesn't include taxes and fees, or processing fees, things like that. So you want to have those actually calculated as well. So that equals $40,000 worth of products. Now, whether you do this in 1 month, whether you do this in 2 months, whether you do this in 3 months, you're going to yield $40,000 in returns, right? So how do you find your percentage on your ROI? So you take how much you made, which is $40,000. You withdraw it from how much you invested, which is $1,000, right? So it's 40 minus 1,000, and you get $39,000, right? And that's what you actually made with fees out of it. So then you're going to actually divide it by how much you actually invested, which was $1,000. And that gives you a ROI of 39%. So you made 39% on your money when it comes to, expenses, packaging, things like that. All that stuff has been calculated out of your ROI. So that's how you calculate ROI from this investment. All right, so we're going to show you how to physically set up your white labeling business, right? So, and the example is coming to you in part by wealthguardwellness.com. Go follow them at Wealthguard Wellness, on IG. All right, so the next section of this video, we're going to actually show you how to set up your white labeling business. All right, so first thing you want to do is search for a business, right? Search for a company that actually white labels. So when you search for a company that actually white labels, you're going to go over here, you're going to search. Just like I said, we're going to do an example. We're going to do an example. We're going to do an example for how to actually set up your white labeling business, right? So we're going to do type in Wealth Garden Wellness. wealthguardwellness.com. Once you do wealthguardwellness.com, this should pop up, and then you're going to come to a website that's going to pop up like this. And then as you can see, all orders are processed within 3 to 5 business days. But they're not going to show, some companies are not going to show that they do bulk orders of their products. They may just have their products on there, individual price. But what you want to do, all right, so they got Abundance hair growth oil, they have the Hope for All CBD bundle, they have the Pure Rich CBD full spectrum oil. So say I want to get, some abundance oil and some hair growth oil. Some hair growth oil, and I want to exchange that hair growth oil and I want to repackage it for a beard oil. So, and prime example from the presentation, you're going to take the hair growth oil and you're going to put it in smaller bottles, and you're going to put that inside a bottle labeled Miracle Grow beard oil, and you're going to sell that for $50 a piece, right? So what you do is the next process is to find out how to contact them, and they should have a place on their website that shows, see, it says contact right here. So you click contact, then your email opens up. So you're going to put in your name, and you're going to email them. Put in your email, right? And you're going to put in subject line, do you white label products? All right. And that message is going to ask, to whom it may concern, I, Jeremy Glover, want to know if your company allows me to white label your products. If so, I would like to purchase a bulk order of Abundance hair growth oil. And then you're going to hit submit, right? When you hit submit, then it says, thank you for submitting. And then the owners will get an email, direct email from you, answering your question. And, say you get that email back and then the company actually says, yes, we white label. We will send you a invoice of how much our abundance hair growth oil is in bulk. And when they send you that hair growth oil in bulk, then that's when you go over to, either Amazon, you want to go to Amazon, or you want to go to Amazon, or you want to go to another company that actually you can get packaging for, because you got to buy packaging for this. So let's go to Amazon, because Amazon is well known. Amazon is good for, same day shipping, things like that. So we're gonna go to somewhere that we know about, right? So we're gonna go to Amazon, and we're gonna type in whatever ounces you want to sell it in, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, so you go in and you ask for 1 ounce bottle, glass jar bottles, glass droppers, right? And this will pop up, right? Amber bottles, you get 99 in this pack, and it's $53. So you want to take that $53.99 and you want to subtract that in your expenses, right? Because that's a business expense, and you're going to be able to write those off at the end of the year. Once you link up with your tax professional, and they were able to show you how to actually write these expenses off, because these are business expenses, right? So you're going to go in here, you're going to look for the bottles, and you're going to refill these bottles up with, the abundance hair growth oil. And then you're going to put a label on the front that says your brand, whether it be, beard oils, essentials, or whether it be, mirror growth, hair growth, beard oil, and then you're going to, put a nice little packaging and design on it, right? And you're going to order these and resell them for $50 a piece. So say you do $50 times 99. Let's do $50 times 99. Let's see how much money you will make if you do 99 times 50. So that's already $4,900 just from you refilling these bottles and reselling them at 1 ounce bottles and reselling them at $50. So literally, you're gonna be able to white label these products and make money, and start making money today. And that is key. You definitely want to start making money today, the next day. These are essential for starting your white labeling business. So Jeremy Glover, to go over and out. Go ahead and follow Trade Junkies Investment Group, because we show you how to actually invest into certain products that's going to give you an ROI. It doesn't necessarily have to be trading. It doesn't necessarily have to be, as far as looking at a chart. We're showing you how to become angel investors, how to start your own white labeling business, for a fraction of the cost, so you can get a good ROI. So thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to follow us on Instagram at Trade Junkies Investment Group. Go follow Wealth Garden Wellness on IG. Thank you.